Okay, Glowies, I have a question for you. Have you ever been in school and suddenly realized your hair is looking crazy, your lips are dry, your hands feel sticky, your face is shiny, or your breath after lunch is, let's just say, not giving? Because same. And the worst part is, you know you could fix it if only you had packed the right things. That's why today we're putting together the ultimate school hygiene kit. Now, before anyone says, but I already have an emergency kit, Glowies, an emergency kit and a hygiene kit are not the same thing. Your emergency kit is for those unexpected uh-oh moments. Your hygiene kit is what helps you stay fresh, clean, and confident throughout the entire school day. Think of it as your little confidence pouch. It's not about trying to look perfect, it's about feeling comfortable. So let's build one together. And trust me, some of these things are so underrated that once you start carrying them, you'll wonder how you ever survived school without them. Let's start with something almost nobody talks about. Oil blotting sheets. Now, if your skin gets oily during the day, especially around your forehead or nose, these little sheets are honestly magic. Instead of rubbing your face with your sleeve, which please, let's not do that, or piling more powder on top, you simply press one sheet onto your face. It absorbs the oil without ruining everything else. Your skin instantly looks fresher. And the best part? They're super thin. They barely take up any space inside your pouch. Next, a mini moisturizer or hand cream. This one is so underrated. You wash your hands, the weather is dry, the classroom air feels like it's sucking all the moisture out of your skin. Now your hands feel rough for the rest of the day. A tiny hand cream fixes that in seconds. And no, I'm not talking about carrying a huge bottle. Travel size is all you need. Now, here's one I don't think enough students carry. A tiny foldable mirror. Not because we're checking ourselves every 5 minutes. No, sometimes you genuinely need to see what's going on. Maybe something is stuck in your teeth. Maybe your eyeliner smudged. Maybe your hair decided to become the main character. Maybe you feel like something is on your face. Instead of asking your friend every 5 minutes, "Do I look okay?" you can simply check. Problem solved. Now let's talk about hair ties. Glowies, hair ties disappear faster than socks in the washing machine. Tell me why you leave the house with 3, and somehow by lunch break, they've all vanished into another dimension. Keep 2 or 3 inside your hygiene kit, not just for yourself. Someone, and I mean someone, is definitely going to ask, "Do you have an extra hair tie?" You'll become the hero of the day. Next, a small comb or foldable brush. Notice I didn't say bring your giant brush from home. No, there are many ones made specifically for bags. Perfect after PE, perfect after windy weather, perfect after taking off your hoodie. Sometimes your hair just needs a little refresh. That's all. Now here's something I wish more students knew about. Dental floss picks. Hear me out before you scroll. We've all had that awkward moment. You're laughing, someone keeps looking at your teeth, and then you realize there's food stuck there. A single floss pick takes seconds to use, and suddenly, problem gone, confidence restored. Now, if your school allows it, you can also keep breath mints or breath strips. Notice I said check your school rules first. Some schools don't allow certain things. If yours does, these are lifesavers after lunch, especially if you eat things like onions, garlic, or anything with a strong smell. Trust me, your future conversations will thank you. Now, here's one that I feel doesn't get enough love. A stain removal pen. Imagine this. You're eating lunch. Someone makes you laugh. Boom. Sauce. Right on your white uniform. Instead of spending the rest of the day hiding behind your backpack, a stain pen can reduce the stain until you get home. It won't perform miracles, but it'll definitely save you from walking around feeling embarrassed. See what I mean? We're not packing random things. Everything inside this hygiene kit has one job: to help you stay comfortable, fresh, and confident. And Glowies, we're only halfway there, because in the second half, I'm sharing the hygiene essentials that people forget the most, including one item every girl should always have, and another that almost nobody packs until they desperately need it. Trust me, you don't want to miss those. Now, let's continue, because these next hygiene essentials are the ones people don't think about until they desperately need them. First, pads or tampons. And yes, I'm talking to my girlies for a second. Even if your period isn't supposed to start that day, always keep one of two in your hygiene kit, because periods don't always care about your calendar. Sometimes they come early. Sometimes a friend needs one. And if you've ever been caught by surprise, you already know that feeling. So trust me, future you will be very grateful you packed them. Now here's one I don't think enough students carry: a spare pair of socks. I know, it sounds random. You're probably thinking, who's carrying socks to school? Glowies, hear me out. Imagine it starts raining. You accidentally step into a puddle. Your shoes get wet. Or maybe during PE, your socks somehow end up soaked. Walking around in wet socks for hours is not fun. Keeping one clean pair folded inside your hygiene pouch takes almost no space, but can completely save your day. Now, a small pack of cotton buds. These are surprisingly useful. Maybe your eyeliner smudges. Maybe you need to clean around your earrings. Maybe you accidentally get something on your face. They're tiny, they're light, and they barely take up any room. Speaking of tiny things, a few bobby pins or hair clips. Glowies, some hairstyles stay perfect all day. Others start falling apart by second period. Having 2 or 3 bobby pins means you can quickly fix your hair instead of spending the whole day trying to hide that one piece sticking straight up. Next, a small travel size body mist. Now listen carefully. I'm not saying spray half the bottle all over yourself in class. Nobody wants to be coughing because someone turned the classroom into a perfume shop. 1 or 2 light sprays, that's enough. The goal is to smell fresh, not announce your arrival from 3 classrooms away. Now here's one I personally think everyone should have. A reusable Ziploc bag. You're probably wondering, what do I need that for? Well, if your clothes get wet, you can keep the wet item inside. If something leaks, you can separate it from everything else in your backpack. If you need to throw away something later, it comes in handy. It's one of those items you don't think about until the day you really need it. Now let's talk about keeping your hygiene kit clean, because there's no point having a hygiene kit if the pouch itself is dirty. Every few weeks, empty everything out. Throw away wrappers, replace empty products, wipe the inside of the pouch. Make sure nothing has leaked. It's a 2-minute job, but it keeps everything clean and ready to use. And here's one final tip before we end. Don't compare your hygiene kit to someone else's. Some students wear braces, some wear glasses, some have oily skin, some don't. Some need certain products, others don't. Your hygiene kit should work for you. You don't need to buy everything you see online. Start small. Pack what you actually use, then add things over time. Because the best hygiene kit isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that makes your school day easier. And Glowies, I have a question for you. What's one thing that's always in your school hygiene kit that you think everyone should carry? Drop it in the comments because your idea might end up helping another student. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and join the Glovell family because we're helping students stay organized, study smarter, build better habits, and make school life so much easier. If you haven't already, make sure you also check out our videos on what to keep in your school bag, things you should never keep in your school bag, school emergency kit essentials, pencil case essentials, school bag organization hacks. Trust me, they'll help you get completely ready for school. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay growing, and as always, stay glowing, glowies.